thought that game was going to be quite a tight one.
Yeah.
But City got in the ball and PSG can't break the bubble.
It wasn't in the end, did it? PSG played really well.
I've also seen it, saw the England squad, and again, there's no Greenwood. And Phil Foden is playing a little bit better than him. He's only, I think, a year older than him. But you just need to give players some time. I think they'll see it eventually. They won't like just galloping too much straight away. Yeah, fine, how they're like the coach. hope that the rain doesn't like divert and spray on glass. That's what I hope. There's the average temperature would be around 15. Yeah. It's not that mega cold. It might not be right, but we still need to.
I think it's forecast as rain and wind and everything tomorrow. the shirt and trousers and the tie.
Yes. And I did manage to help them work out the timetable
Right.
for extra trains.
Good.
How it's going to work is I'm over early in the morning, but with limited options.
Yes, sir.
One is there's an 822 from Westbury to correct, but to get there I would have to get the 0756 from Trowbridge.
Yeah.
Get there on time. Because after that, the next one is all 10 minutes and there's a risk of not making it in time.
Not always that good.
And when I get back, when I head back to Westbury, the train where I have to catch is the 1426 to London, which is 4 minutes before I'm supposed to end my session. But if I don't catch it, the others are Paddington train non-stop from Taunton to Reading to levels that I can't afford to get on.
Or you'd have to get a train to Exeter and then change your Exeter. That's the other option.
But I don't want to believe all that nonsense.
Well, I suppose if you leave it only 4 minutes before it ends, you'd be working up until, say, 2:15 rather than 2:30.
But at the moment, that's how I'm going to be doing
That's good. That's good.
it. And it's the only choice I would have heading back to Trowbridge.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if I stay, the next available one to call is not until 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
The rest of them are non-stoppers, are avoid Westbury. So the one to Westbury, 2:30, I would get in just before 4 o'clock, and then I would wait 10 minutes for Cardiff train, and then it just literally only takes 3 minutes. Roughly 4 or 5 minutes to get to the train.
It's a really short trip, isn't it?
We are now approaching Newton Abbot. Change here for services to Paynton.
Please mind the step down from the train to the platform.